Mark, you can sip from 1,000 cups and still end up thirsty. Or you can find one source that never runs dry. Which one you really want? And really ask yourself, are you ready to be a real man of integrity? A man who she can rely on. A man wise enough to lead and guide a family.
Big bro, me ready. Tired of the empty nights. Done with the games. Want more. Want to live a life as a man of integrity. I want to be a man who protects his family. A man who his family can depend on. A role model. A man who his family can trust to lead.
Mark, integrity is not a one-time speech. It's the quiet choices you make when nobody's not watching. When you're tempted to cut corners or to prove yourself to impress, it's choosing truth over image. Integrity heavy, but it's freedom. You're sure you're ready to carry that weight?
Bro, me ready. Even if me stumble, me done with being a boy.
Alright, good. But talk is one thing. Action is another thing. Now I'm something for you.
What that?
Just give me 5 minutes, man. You have a see.
Savannah, you're looking so beautiful today.
Thanks. You're not looking too bad yourself.
You know, I really have to apologize for the last time when I saw you. I was nervous and I really was not being myself. I don't know what came over me, but I'm truly sorry. I did not give you the respect that you truly deserved.
Iman, that's fine. And I want to apologize too because I know that I could have dealt with the situation in a better way.
I mean, I tell you the truth, you know. I've never felt like this around a woman in a long time.
You expect me to believe that? You look like the type of guy who have a lot of females fighting over them.
I won't deny, I usually live that life. But I'm tired of that. All the faces, all the hype, and at the end of the day, you're just empty. What me really want now? Love will last. Family, a woman where me can protect and build with. That's just the truth.
So how the search going?
Here's one thing when me learn. The right one no come when you're hunting. They show up when you're ready. And lately, I feel like maybe I'm standing right where I'm supposed to be.
So what you're really saying, Mark?
What I'm saying is that I don't think I will ever need to look anywhere else. Everything that I will ever need for a lifetime has stand up right before me.
Mark, you make it sound so easy. But my scars remind me that promises sweet at first, then turn bitter. I really want to believe it. God no. But if me let down my guard again, and they hurt me too, I don't know how I could survive this time.
Savannah, me don't want to be another scar in your story. I want to be the reason why them finally heal. If it take me whole lifetime to prove me serious, me willing.
The way you talk sound real. Maybe too real. Truth is, part of me already believe you. But letting myself fall again. Me not sure if me strong enough.
You don't have to fall all at once. Just lean. If me real, we will be there at every step until leaning starts to feel like trust. And trust starts to feel like love.